Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today we are going to make a Valentine stuffed heart with a leaf. Enjoy the video. To make this heart, you need scissors, paper, pencil, thread and needle, green felt, red felt, and a button. Take a paper, fold, and draw a heart. Draw a leaf. Cut. Take red felt, put on fold, place your heart, pin, and cut. Okay, remove pins. Take this leaf, put here, pin, and cut. Okay, take your leaf and take one side of your heart, put here, and take a button of your choice, put here, and sew here. Okay, so when you get here, leave a space, open, and insert. Okay, it's done. So now close up. subscribe to my channel. Okay, now let's put a loop here using thread. Okay, it's done. Very easy stuffed heart Valentine's heart. You can use this as a decoration in your house, or you can give this to your loved ones for Valentine's. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Mite kurete arigato. Bye.